Have you ever wanted to make an awesome video like this? Or this? Or maybe this one? Well, today is your lucky day. Today, I will show you the basic way on how to make this kind of videos, or should I say, intro, outros, and etc. in this video. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. So, first thing you want to do is to open your desktop or any devices you have, then go to your browser. Mine, I'm using Google Chrome, and then search panzoid.com, and then click enter. Then voila, you are here in the website already. So as I said earlier, make your own intro in here from scratch. It's really hard for me. I tried to, but if you guys have effort or any time you have, and it's quarantine, oh, also always wash your hands and please follow your community guidelines, so the quarantine is no longer standing. And yeah, so, and let's go back to the video, and as you can see, there's a background there and video editor. I don't know what this do, but this is the most important part on making your own vid or your own intro or video. Yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of presets here you can choose. There's a Netflix intro here. There's a lot of creations and a lot of creator here. And as you can see, if you are not even convinced yet at these presets, just click more creations. And there's this thing too. You see this 9 box dots is here. Just click it and go to the creations. And yeah, there's more a lot here. As you can see, this is so freaking lit. Oh, and yeah, there's a lot of here. And if you wanna search like an intro like that, just go to this search button, search logo, and then just search cool intro for now, for this video sake. And as you can see, there's a lot of choices here. So for this video, let's just pick this Vaporwave intro by Catrion, then just click it, and yeah, it's just a spam. Okay, just click this in open clip maker, and it will redirect you here. Oh my boys. So yeah, here, as you can see, there's a 3D model here. There's a text, 3D text, and a background, Vaporwave background. And we don't need to like center it and just portrait. We don't need that. Just click this I button here like that, and then as you can see, there's freaking a stereotype thingy, and then just let's play 3 2 1. Okay, so we've seen enough. We're satisfied now. As you can see, it's so freaking lit, and it will do for now. You can just choose any of this if you wanted to, but for this tutorial we will use this video. And as you can see, there's this text name. In order to change that to whatever your name is, nickname like Anita, DJ, Bogart, or anything, your YouTube name, yeah, whatever you like, just click this 3D box called objects, and here you're at this page, I guess. And as you can see, there's a timeline here. So we just need this text one, and as you can see, we can just change whatever name it is. So I'm gonna just say SparklePlayz. Yeah, just that. And SparklePlayz again for the shadow one. As you can see, it's so freaking long, and if you want to adjust it, guys, so as you can see, there's a size option here, there's a height and thickness. Just just hold to the left and to the right, just like that, and it will shrink, and just adjust it wherever you wanted. So it's in 20, so I'm gonna just click 20 here again. So yeah, as you can see, it's so freaking late, and it will do for this video's sake. And yeah, let's just play it again. So as you can see, mine is messed up, so you can just adjust it wherever you want, do some experiments, something like that in here. And also you can change the font. As you can see, this this preset is using Abcenter font, so yeah, we were not gonna change it for today. And yeah, in order to save this video you made it, or intro you made it, just click this download button with that arrow down and a line below it. Just click it, and in here, you are here in this page, I guess, where we have mode in format here. So in mode, there's fastest render and balance, good quality and extreme quality. In faster render it's the lowest quality you can get here, but it's so freaking fast, like Sonic and Eminem rap. So yeah, but you will get a low quality one. And the imbalance, as you can see here, it just, yeah, just like that. It's just normal 50-50, I guess. And in good quality, it's quite 75% of the good quality here. And yeah, I recommend using this. And in extreme quality, this is very slow, but um it will get you the highest quality here, just slow to render it. So I'm gonna just use balance at this video because the internet is so freaking slow. Okay, so at this format, it's just really frustrating for others creator here and there, whatever. As you can see, there's only two, and we don't have an options to choose an MP4 or like that. Just two, so we don't have choice. We will just pick one of these two. We just click MKV. Oh, and by the way, in the reason why I'm complaining about this is because you can't import this MKV file into the Premiere Pro, and yeah, or on any editing software you have, like KineMaster on your phone, Premiere Pro, cut up, just like that, DaVinci Resolve. Yeah, it won't really fit, so you just need a converter. I have a converter named Wondershare Unique Converter. I'm using this to convert MKV files and other invalid format, just to make it valid to my editing software. So yeah, I'm gonna just link this at the description, and also it has a site, but I recommend downloading this app because it's way more faster than the site. So yeah, I'm gonna just leave this at the description, and then just start video rendering. So yeah, I'm back and it's downloaded now. So just click this download your video button and it will redirect you in this site. And yeah, it will start very now, anytime soon. As you can see, it's already downloaded. So let's just watch it. So yeah, again, if you enjoyed this video, mind if you drop a like button here, just smash that like button, and then if you're kind enough, just press that, consider subscribing at my channel. And yeah, that's all it, and thank you for watching and good luck. Bye bye.